Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for February. I am definitely a little late on this. If you watched my Boxycharm premium box, which is also where this look came from, then you know I have been sick for the past 2 weeks, so my poor little boxes have just been waiting for me to unbox them. And I do still have a bit of a cough. We had influenza A, every one of us in my house, and it was treacherous. I also have Boxycharm pop-up order that came, so I'm going to unbox that on this video as well. So let's go ahead and hop into Boxycharm base box. So base box is $25 a month. The price did just recently go up, but I think it's valued at least $125. It used to be at least $100. So if you are interested in that, I'm going to put a link down below. And typically, if you use the link, there is some kind of bonus gift that you get when you sign up. And I have box. Usually there's a little number. Oh, 47. So 47 variations. That's crazy. So the first thing I picked up is something that I chose. And every month you do get a choice. So that is also an upgrade from when the price went up, is now there's always a choice with your box. So you get to pick one of the items. So you're definitely going to love one of the items that you get. And I picked the Kate Somerville Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides Serum. So smooth and firm. I could always use a smoothing and firming serum. This one is, here's what it looks like. It is 1 ounce and it is a $98 value. It says that after 1 week, 90% of women reported their skin appearing visibly tighter. Well, we are definitely going to have to test that out here because I don't typically see a ton of results with skincare, especially not that fast. My belief on skincare is it's really important for keeping your skin hydrated and filling it with vitamins and healthy things for your skin so that over time your skin is staying healthy for longer. I don't know. I don't always look for those like immediate results kind of skincare because I haven't really ever seen them. So moving on, the next thing I got is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. That's fun. I love trying new setting powder. So this says that it's a $22 value. I feel like that's a really low price for Ciate London. It says lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate's Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. Coconut fragranced, finely milled, lightweight, soothe over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. All right, so here's what it looks like. It does look like it's a white setting powder. And I'll definitely be using this soon because I love setting powders. I don't smell anything. Yeah, I don't smell anything at all. That's interesting. It does feel really soft and really finely milled, so I'm excited to try that on some makeup. Actually, I think I'm going to put that on today because I do feel like I'm getting a little oily today. And I'm going to put it on with one of these. So I got the 3 set of Alamar Cosmetics brushes. I think you would either get this or something else, and I can't remember what it was, but I know I wanted the something else because, I don't know, these brushes didn't look that great to me. 3-piece complexion brush. If they were eye brushes, I would definitely want them, but complexion brushes I could really care less about. Oh, well, isn't that interesting? So this one looks like it's probably a foundation brush. It's got some of those little grooves that you're seeing in them now. I don't like using brushes for my foundation ever. Let's see. Then there's a bronzer brush. So there's that one. I mean, I definitely will get use out of them. And then I have to wash my brushes less often, but So looking at it at first impression, I would say it's definitely very finely milled and it does give kind of a blurring effect to it, but I will continue to use that and see what I think of it. We got 2 other things. So the first thing is a brand I've never heard of. This is Queen, Qveen, Matte Liquid Lip Satin. If you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip satin is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in 1 coat. With 12-hour performance, it is a $17 value. And I have it, I'm going to look at the color. Ooh, let's go ahead and try this on. That's pretty. Ooh, I love that color. So that is in the shade Wifey. I don't think I showed you the other... I don't think I showed you the other Alamar brush. So this is the brightening brush. So I guess you could use that for highlighter or under eye setting powder. And they do say what they are on it. Complexion brush. Oh, this is the bronzer brush. Isn't that interesting? Huh. I would have thought this was because it's got that angle. The last thing that's in here, this lipstick is already feeling kind of drying. The last thing in here is a Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara. Volume and lengthening mascara instantly increases fullness and delivers long, luscious lashes from root to tip with just one swipe. It is supposed to be flake-free and smudge-proof. $23 value. I'm not going to open it all the way up, but I do want to see what the packaging looks like. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm excited to try that at some point. All right, so let's see what the value of this is. It's close to a $200 value. I think like $197 maybe? $197 value. So if you guys watch my Boxycharm unboxing videos, you know that I also like to see if it really is a value for me because I'm spending $25 on this. So would I have gone out and spent $25 on these products? So I'm going to start with the Kate Somerville one. It's $100 value, but I would definitely spend $25 on a good serum. So right away, this box is worth it to me. Liquid lipstick, I would not have purchased. The color is really pretty. I love a purpley pink lipstick, but I'm kind of... I don't know. I don't really purchase liquid lipsticks anymore because I prefer a glossy bullet kind of lipstick. So $0 on that one. The mascara, I love trying a new mascara, but I don't necessarily go out and purchase mascaras anymore. But it's because I get them in boxes. So I'm just going to say a $10 value. So we're up to $35. The setting powder, I would not have gone out and purchased one because I don't need any. But for a setting powder to try, I would say $10 as well. So we're up to $45. Then these brushes, I'm going to put a $0 value on them because I do not need more complexion brushes. I would not have gone out and purchased them, and I don't need to try them. For me, what I would have gone out and spent on these products would have been $45. I spent $25, so it is a good value for me. So now we are going to get into my Boxycharm pop-up box. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I got because I'm really excited about it. I did look up some of the other choices we had for this. It was an Iconic London eyeshadow palette that was super neutral. The Becca foundation was another one, but I had read some reviews that weren't great about it. So I knew I was going to like this, so I just went with that one. And then I looked up what the other choice, it wasn't choice, the other product you could have gotten instead of this. And it was 3 sponges, makeup sponges. Really wish I would have gotten that instead of the brushes, but I have the brushes. So for pop-up, and I want to say most of this stuff was the $7 price point from what I remember. The first thing, and I did open these, but I haven't used them yet. I got the Ace Beauté Flare palette. I saw that this palette was in there for $7. I wanted this palette so bad when it came out, and I didn't pick it up. That is like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. I cannot wait to do a look for you guys with this palette and just dig into it. Oh my goodness. I mean, those jewel tones and the different depths of color that comes with this palette is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. $7. And the other one that I really wanted for a long time, didn't pick it up either, is the Oceanic palette. So this is the other Ace Beauté palette that they had. Here's what the Oceanic palette looks like. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I can't wait to use that one too. But just really excited. Look at those greens and blues in there. What I love about these two palettes is the shades really are unique shades and things that I don't have in my collection already. So I'm just really excited to have those palettes. I got this, this was in it, and I think this was around, I don't know, like $5. It says Gold Digger, and it's just a little plaque that you set on your desk. I got this tea, I don't remember what this is called, loose leaf tea infuser. So it comes with like a little tray that you would put it on, but you just put your loose leaf tea in there. I use a ton of loose leaf tea. I think this is a Teamy one, which I use a lot of the Teamy tea, so I needed a loose leaf tea infuser, so I picked that up because it was like $5. Super affordable. I picked up a chlorine dry shampoo. I think that this was $5 as well, and these are usually $20. And the last thing I picked up is, I got 6 things. A Grow Vita Propolis Ampule. This is a Korean skincare brand. It is a ½ ounce, and I think that it was the $7 price point as well. For a good ampule, $7 is really affordable. So I picked that up to try it as well. I haven't tried this brand yet. So that's what I got with my Boxycharm pop-up. I was very strategic and thoughtful about what I purchased because I didn't just want to throw everything in the cart. There are so many good deals during the Boxycharm pop-up that it would be easy to overspend. I really just wanted to purchase things that I either wanted to try or that I already use, and I did that. So that is everything for this video. I would love to know what choice you made with your Boxycharm base box, or if you got things that you weren't very happy with in there. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!